I would like to share a secret that will help you as a team leader that the task is likely to be accomplished by your team members. Hello, my name is Manisha Agarwal and I am a corporate trainer. How managers should check the understanding of their subordinates? By asking right questions. But in actual life, when a task is assigned to a subordinate, what do we ask them? Are you clear? What answer do we get? Invariably, the subordinate has understood it or not. Yes. Never ask this dumbest of the question. It's a very dangerous question. In order to be ensure that the series of command which you have given are understood in the same way, ask them what you have understood. Encourage your subordinates to seek clarifications. Ask them any questions, any doubts. Chances are high that the clarity of the task will be established and the task will be of superior results. If you think this piece of information is of some value, kindly share it, like it, and comment on it. See you in my next video.